Would you sleep with a guy on the first date?
If they want me, then they should be chasing my heart. They should be aligning their...
It's the only thing that he wants from me. Because when a man wants you, he will wait for your approval and for the right time.
Yeah, I don't think I will allow myself to be in that situation. So,
Do you judge a man if he tries to sleep with you on the first date? What is your name and how old are you?
I am Jaika. Hi everyone. I am 28 years old po.
This is Ma'am Jaika's second time here.
Yes.
Second time. I actually forgot about her, but she said, you interviewed me before. Okay. So, Ma'am Jaika, here's the very first question. Would you sleep with a guy on the first date?
For me po, no.
Okay. Why no?
Because you didn't know the guy and it's the first date po.
If the chemistry is really strong, does the first date rule still matter?
Yes po. After a few dates and maybe 10 dates, actually like that po.
Do you judge a man if he tries to sleep with you on the first date?
Yes, because as of now, it's like it's the only thing that he wants from me. Because when a man wants you, he will wait for your approval and for the right time.
Okay. If a guy doesn't try anything on the first date, is that a green flag?
Maybe. Yes po.
Why maybe?
Because it's a sign that he's respecting you, and whatever your decision is, he will accept it.
Would you respect a relationship that started on the first night?
No.
No.
Mm.
You're not gonna respect the relationship
Yeah.
that started on the first night?
Yes po.
So, for example, your friend met a guy and then they slept together on the first night, on the first date, then you're not gonna respect the relationship.
It's depend po kasi that is their decision.
Mm-hmm.
It's their ano naman po ni it's this. The matter naman it's between them two. If that is right for them, then they can do it po.
So, since you said no to the first question, if a guy is attractive and successful, does that change your answer?
No, because as a religious person, I do respect that someone must wait for that moment. Even though he is so successful and he's attractive, I still believe that that thing would be done with respect and a decision from me from.
Decision with respect. Okay. You said you're religious. So, what's your religion, ma'am?
I'm a born again po.
Born again. Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
It's been 2 months.
So when I interviewed you before, you were in a relationship.
Yeah, I'm in a long distance relationship. Then it didn't work. That's why we separated.
It didn't work. I'm curious because I'm so nosy. What was the reason why you broke up?
Because he wants to be with him. He wants to be with me with no distance. Na he said that he's tired of being far from me, a miles, because he's from Cebu.
He's from Cebu, Filipino.
Yeah.
Okay, so he wants to be with you. So why you don't want?
As the relationship goes, there's no assurance that is willing to be take care of me and financial matter like that.
Oh, he doesn't have job.
He has, but then he's still in the training.
So you want someone who could like provide for you, like someone who is stable financially.
It's a bonus na din if he's stable because I can provide for myself naman. I have a job. For me lang, there's no assurance that if we're in a relationship, he can provide or something like that po. Matter.
If you can, okay. Is it okay if I interview you for members video?
Yes po.
Okay, so members, see you on the members video. We're gonna interview ma'am. Just one question. What are your names and ages?
okay, my name is Rhea. I am 24 years old.
My name po is Bree and I am 18 years old.
So Rhea and Bree, would you sleep with a guy on the first date? Let's start with Rhea.
No, I wouldn't sleep with him. Why? Because it goes against my values. Why would I give my body to someone when it's just a first date? When date is actually an event or a plan that you get to actually know one another.
For me, my answer is no. It's kind of similar to what she said. And at the same time, sex is a really intimate thing for me. So I wouldn't want to do it on the first date with someone I just met, especially. So yeah.
Okay. Do you want to add something?
Because to add, when you have sex with someone, you actually create a connection with them. So having sex on just the very first night that you or very first date that you have, there might be something that you will discover, or you might actually create a connection that actually, because there's a lot of things that happens, they might get obsessive with you, though that's something that we want to actually prevent in happening.
If a guy doesn't try anything on the first date, is that a green flag?
Hmm. For me, I believe it's a green flag. Again, we're still in the process of getting to know each other. We're not here to, I don't know, hook up with somebody on the first date. To me, it's important to get to know somebody before trying something very intimate with them, because for me, sex is really an intimate process, and I don't want to give it to somebody so easily. Mm-mm.
Is that a green flag for you?
No, because it is too early for me to judge if a guy is a green flag or a red flag just on our first date or first encounter. I still want to know them deeply, right? Still want to know what they want in life, their principles in life. So we can say that if it's a green flag or red flag.
So it will take time. Yes. Take time. You're gonna know the person first. Would you respect a relationship that started on the first night?
Hmm, I don't know.
No.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So it's like maybe yes, maybe no.
It's somewhere in between, because again, we're still in that process of getting to know them, and I don't fully like know this person for me to trust them. Something.
I don't have any definite answer, but for other people, then okay, that's how they live by. That's how they started their relationship. If it works out, then it works out. But then for me, uh, yeah, I don't think I will allow myself to be in that situation. So maybe just for other people, then maybe yes. But for me, no.
Okay. And you respect the relationship if it works out.
Yes, I respect the relationship if it's that's how they started and they found a common ground. Because that's their relationship, not mine. But then again, I still stand by that sex is only for marriage. It's a privilege that couples have when they are in a mutual relationship that's been established by marriage.
Since you said both, no to the first question, which is you're not sleeping with a guy on the first date. What if the guy is attractive and successful? Does that change your answer?
No. Still, if they are attractive and successful, then good for them. But then what are the principles that they live by? Right? So if they're yeah, but why would I still give myself for yeah, why would I still give myself for a man like that? Like, kasi not all outward appearances reflect their inward motives with you. If they want me, then they should be chasing my heart. They should be aligning their perspective with mine so that we have a common ground that we can work on or we are mutual with.
So yeah, my answer is still no. Even if a guy is conventionally attractive and successful, well, I just don't want to give myself to somebody that easily, especially if both of our values don't align with each other. Like, it doesn't matter if you look good or you're successful to me. If we don't value the same thing, we would probably have so much to disagree on just because we don't have the same interests, the same values as each other. So I guess, no, not I guess, it's just no, a definite no for me.
24,
Yeah.
right? And then you're 18. Both in college?
Yes, I'm still in college.
What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science.
I'm a first year AB psychology student.
Your English are the best.
Oh.
Yes. You're one of the best interviewees that we ever had. Yes. Yes.
Just saying
No,
that.
no. I'm not exaggerating. I'm trying to. You explained your answers really good. Your English is good. So yeah, you're one of the best interviewees we ever had.
Going to double check that when this video comes out. I'm going to double check your
Channel, please.
Yes. We're definitely gonna give it to you. Okay, I'm curious now. How many boyfriends you had?
none.
None. And you're 24.
I am 24, but I still had no boyfriends.
Why is that? Picky?
Okay. Not picky, but then I actually heard that I may come off intimidating to some guys, so they don't actually pursue it. But it's also a blessing, right? Because with that kind of image, you will also know if the attention that you are getting will be genuine or not, or they just, yeah.
24 years old. How about you, Be? No boyfriend since birth as well?
No. I'm really scared of getting into a relationship because I'm really scared of getting attached very easily. So I really just focus on studies, especially during this time of my life where I'm still trying to find myself, discovering things about myself that I don't know about, learning things that really pique my interest. So for me, it is important to find myself before getting into a relationship. For me, I just don't trust myself being in a relationship if I don't know who I am. I don't want to I don't want to rely on somebody else for, I don't know, to dictate my life. I just don't want to rely on somebody. I want us both to just have our own values, and I see this person, I'm like, oh my god, I like this person, we should date or come together as one. And I hope God gives me the right person within his timing, of course. So yeah.
So religious. Both are religious.
Not religious, but we have faith in God. Yes.
Okay.
It is a personal relationship with Him that we trust Him.
Yeah. I'm very curious now. You're 24, no boyfriend. Okay, but there were like men try to, like to, yeah, like to pursue you.
There was one, yes. There was two, but they never really come into terms to actually enter a relationship officially. Yes.
What are you looking for in a guy?
Oh, I am looking for someone, one, first, who's godly. I want someone who pursues God with all of his heart, with all of his might. Number, yeah, I think that will be all, because when you actually put God first, then everything follows.
Are you from Naga? Both of you from here?
I came from Manila.
Oh, you came from Manila. Wow. Judging you like from your answers, I thought you're from like the province.
Oh, no. It's actually a misconception that only those who are in province have a much like conservative view. But then if you talk about people also in the metro, you will actually know that most of, if not most, then some of them actually have a conservative view in relationships and marriage.
How about you, Be? Where are you from?
Well, I'm actually from the province, but I'm born in Manila, but I grew up in the province. So I have very a conservative value.
Province of
Goa.
Oh, we were there. Oh my God. Yes, we live nearby, and then we did a lot of videos in Goa. Oh yes, we did a lot, a lot. That's where we started our street interviews. Goa.
Find Goa. How did you find Goa?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Very peaceful. If
It is very peaceful there. Like living life in Goa has been really peaceful since I moved from Manila to Goa. Like compared to Manila, it is more chaotic and not a lot of trees. Okay, I noticed when I got back from Manila when I was visiting, there was not a lot of trees, and that really concerned me.
yeah, we started doing street interviews in Goa. Wow, so you're from Goa. Kind of a small world. Small world. Okay. But this is good that we interviewed someone from Manila and from the province who grew up from the province. So, wow.
There's not much interesting views, right?
Yes, exactly, exactly. Because most of our viewers, or not most, but some of them, if you're gonna read the comment section from our videos, some videos that we did, they would say that you should go to province so you can find traditional Filipina with traditional values like those. But you're very different from what they thought of, a Manila girl, a city girl, very different.
Well, might be just a stereotype, right? Just a stereotyping of people from the city. You should know more about them if you want to know about their views, right?
Anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time and your honesty. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. The 2 minutes became like more than 10. So sorry.
Really fun. Really.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Bea. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection